Well, spring is in the air, and with that comes fun family projects as well as must-tackle spring cleaning. Lifestyle expert Amy E. Goodman is showing us the top spring cleaning gadgets.
If you're planning a staycation this season, you want to have some really fun DIY activities for the entire family, and that's really sparked the curious minds of all ages. So maybe you want to do some DIY ice cream, learn how to make your own ice cream from a kit, or do a nature gathering hunt the next time you hit a hike with your family, or perhaps you want to do a planting project with the kids. I love this succulent garden. It's really fun to start indoors as the weather's still a little bit chilly.
I love those succulents because they're very hardy and difficult to kill.
You only have to water it once a month, and I think my kids can handle that.
Brilliant, Amy. Okay, so you know what? A lot of that DIY sounds like a lot of fun, but maybe potentially a little bit messy.
So yes, DIY is super fun, but it's also potentially muddy, messy, and dirty. But what if I said you could embrace that mess without the stress? So before me, I have 3 portable cleaners. They are deep cleaners from Bissell's little family of little green cleaners. And right before me, this is Bissell's Little Green Pet Pro. It is very powerful cleaner, yet very compact. And it really is amazing for pet messes. So think about removing spots and embedded dirt and stubborn stains. Absolutely incredible. And also very easy cleanup for those everyday spills of life, such as mud and juice, coffee and wine that you, your family, or your pets might make. You can check them all out at Bissell.com and pick one up.
So Amy, you touched on staycations before and activities you could do at home, but what about for folks traveling?
Yeah, if you're hitting the open road this spring break, I want you to spruce up your car. So check your air tire levels and all those fluid levels. Get some organizers for those toys and snacks. And lastly, when you get back home, you want to do a once over the car and deal with any spots or stains you might have with Bissell's Little Green Cleaner. It's amazing.
And I know another activity families love to do is maybe they like go thrifting or antique shopping. You say this is great for upholstery as well?
Yeah, if you want to hit those yard sales and pick up some secondhand furniture, the Bissell Little Green Cleaner is great for refreshing that upholstered furniture and making it look as good as new. You'll see lots of demos on TikTok. It is a fan favorite.
All right, fan favorite there. For more spring must-haves and products that make life easier, head to Bissell.com. Coming up after the break, we've got some celebrity.
Daytime Chicago is sponsored by Bissell.